Hello everyone, welcome to this complete Java tutorial course. We will learn Java from the very basics all the way to advanced concepts. So, whether you are a student, a beginner in programming, or someone looking to strengthen your software engineering skills, this course is designed for you. Java is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. It is widely used for building enterprise applications, web applications, mobile applications, cloud services, and much more. Learning Java also helps you understand core programming concepts that are useful in many other languages. In this course, we will start from the fundamentals and gradually move towards advanced topics. You do not need any prior programming experience to follow along. So, we will learn Java from scratch and no prior experience is required. And step by step learning path will be there. So, what is Java? Java is a popular programming language which is used for web, mobile, desktop, and enterprise applications. And it is object-oriented programming language which is platform independent, which follows principle write once, run anywhere, that is VORA. So next question is why learn Java? So we should learn Java because of high demand in the software industry and used by millions of developers, and it has strong community support. Also excellent career opportunities, and it is foundation for learning advanced technologies. So, what are the applications of Java where it is used? Enterprise applications, web applications, Android development, cloud services, banking systems, e-commerce platforms, and many more where Java is used. So what you will learn? What will be the roadmap? So we will start with Java basics. It will cover variables and data types, operators, control statements, arrays and strings, object-oriented programming, exception handling, collection framework, Java 8 features, and advanced Java. Advanced Java contains many topics such as Spring Boot framework, Spring Framework, Hibernate, JPA, JPQL query, and many more. And we will build projects in which we will be doing hands-on, followed by interview preparation, interview questions, including coding questions. So, what are the prerequisites before doing this course? Do you need any prior knowledge? So, answer to this question is we should have willingness to learn and practice. And no programming experience is required. So, how to follow this course? So, there are some tips for success, such as watch videos in sequence so that you will have a better understanding and sync between the concepts, and practice every concepts with different examples, and try to write code by yourself. This will give you confidence. And once we start building projects, so try to build small projects. And the most important part, stay consistent. So, the course structure, or we can say the learning path, is fundamentals, followed by core Java, followed by OOPS concept, that is object-oriented programming, advanced Java concepts, and real-world examples, and the most important, interview preparations. So, let's begin and start your Java journey. So, learn Java step by step and build a strong foundation in programming and software development. So, throughout this course, we will focus on understanding concepts clearly with practical examples. Instead of just memorizing syntax, you will learn how Java works and how to apply it in real world scenarios. I recommend that you practice every concept by writing code yourself, no matter how small it is. Programming is a skill that improves through hands-on practice. If you are ready to start your Java learning journey, let's begin with the first lesson. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.